Bruh, I'm over here sleeping and I woke up to this. Why would he jump in the bed with me and snore in my ear?